Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have this beautiful look for you guys, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'll be starting with the Ugly Duckling color number 27. I'm going to apply this on all of my nails and then give it a cure in my light for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go back in with that same beautiful color and I'm going to do another layer and I'm going to give it a cure in my light for another 60 seconds. Now I'll be using the Gel Bottle Inks matte top coat. I'm going to be applying this on my middle finger and my ring finger and then curing it in my light for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to go in with my E-Nail Couture's Shiny and my Young Nails Micro Detailer brush and I'm going to do a design using the top coat. I just put some on my desk because it's made out of glass and it's easy to clean up. So that is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to do a design. After I'm done with the design on both of my fingers, I'm going to give it a flash cure in my light for 10 seconds. And also, while I have you guys here, I wanted to let you guys know that I totally messed up the date for the giveaway winner. So you guys will know who won my last giveaway in Saturday's video. And I so humbly apologize for that. I just thought I was calculating it right and I didn't do that. So I apologize. But please stay tuned until Saturday and you guys will know who won the last giveaway. Now I'm going to go in with some chrome powder and my silicone tool and I'm obviously going to rub that on the two nails that I did the design on. I think the chrome powder is either from Born Pretty or Beauty Big Bang. I have no idea which one it is. I think it's Born Pretty if I can remember correctly. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my top coat. I went back over it off camera and then I gave it a full cure in my light and that's how I was able to wipe it off. But now I'm going to go back in with that E-Nail Couture's Shiny. I'm going to cure it in my light for like 10 seconds. I'm going to go back in with that same pigment and the silicone tool and I'm going to be rubbing that into my nails. Once I'm done with that, I always finish curing it. I don't know if that makes a difference, but I do it anyway. And then once I'm done with that, I like to wipe it off with my duster brush. Then I'm going to go in with my E-Nail Couture Shiny and I'm obviously going to apply that on the nails. Every nail besides the ones that I did the design on, I wanted the base of that nail to stay matte, so that's why I didn't cover that one. And these are my final results, you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.